We have some breaking inputs coming in just a short while back. Remember the high-level meeting that was underway in which the Prime Minister has affirmed that it is our national resolve to deal a crushing blow to terrorism. Prime Minister has also expressed complete faith and confidence in the professional abilities of the Indian Armed Forces. This is the inside scoop that we are getting for you. The Prime Minister has said that the forces, Indian Armed Forces, have complete operational freedom to decide on the mode, targets and timing of our response. So that's the big breaking news. We're getting free hand to forces. That's what Prime Minister has said. This is the inside scoop on the key security meeting. And those are visuals and images of the key meeting at the Prime Minister's residence. We have Rishabh, Prajatta and Pragya joining us on the broadcast. Let's first go across to Rishabh. So these are the highlights, key talking points from that high-level meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given complete operational freedom to the forces to decide on the mode of attack, the targets of the attack and the timing of our response.
Well, Swati, what we are given to understand, senior sources within Government of India has confirmed times now that Prime Minister has given freedom of operation to the armed forces, which means the armed forces have been given the freedom to choose the modus, the location, the timing of our response to Pahalgam attack. Remember, this meeting, this is the first time since Pahalgam attack that the service chief, the CDS, NSA, Raksha Mantri and Prime Minister, all of them were sitting on one table. Till now, there have been marathon meetings, but all these meetings happened in different spaces. For the first time, service chiefs along with CDS, NSA and Raksha Mantri met Prime Minister, and the sources now confirm to us that it is a clear go-ahead from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg to the armed forces. Choose the point, choose the mode of response, choose your time. So the armed forces now have a free hand to respond. Remember, Prime Minister had said in Madhubani rally that our response will be unimaginable. We will locate, identify and destroy the terrorists and the terror handlers behind Pahalgam attack.
Absolutely. And the biggest message there coming in from that meeting from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we also have Pragya on the broadcast. Pragya, free operational freedom. The Prime Minister said it very clearly. The Indian Armed Forces will now decide our response in terms of mode, target and timing. That's in fact what India has been maintaining, that we will decide when and how.
Absolutely, and a strong message has been sent by Prime Minister today saying that there is going to be an action. You know, diplomatic downgrading is all right. We have put the treaty in abeyance is all right, but there will be an action, and that has been unequivocally said by the sources, and in fact it has been said by the Prime Minister to all the army chiefs present, and along with the CDS, NSA and Raksha Mantri himself. It is a meeting which is very significant. It is a meeting where go-ahead has been given by the Prime Minister and also given the freedom. Remember, BJP has always been citing past wars saying that there had been very tactical mistakes that had been committed by past government by not giving freedom to the army and also the defense forces. This is a time where army and defense forces, all of them together, they have to prove, and the onus is on them to to achieve that particular goal given by the Prime Minister, and to say that we all are standing with you, your morale should be high, and the nation is with you, and they're looking at you to avenge those killings at Pahalgam. Remember, this is a very strong message that has come from the Prime Minister and given straight to the army chief, saying that you have full freedom, choose your time, target and mode as well. What is more important, Swati, here is the political will. Unless you have political will, army will also look at the political dispensation for go-ahead, and they have to ask for everything that they need to decide. But here is a coordinated command. CDS is there along with NSA, and you also have army chiefs, and also there is a freedom now to choose your mode in which you can achieve this particular goal given by the Prime Minister.
That is very important. Let me